So we recently partnered with a national organization called Cleaning for a Reason. And what it allows us to do is provide cleaning services for cancer patients at no cost to them. And we also partnered with a local organization here called Hope for the Journey. And so what we decided to do as a company was that we wanted to give back. And this was a way that we could do so because women in our community are fighting cancer every day. And some of them just need a little bit of help. And so we decided we wanted to sponsor cancer patients. And this is something that's close to my heart personally, because as a child growing up, when I was 5, and my mom had just had my brother at the time, and my mom went from being a mother to 2 children, a 5-year-old and a newborn, to being diagnosed with cancer and becoming an amputee just within a few months. And within the next year, she was diagnosed again with lung cancer. Now this time, they gave her a 30% chance of survival, and here she was. You know, she had me at that time. I was 6 and my brother was 1. And she went into the hospital not knowing if she was gonna come out. And thankfully, by the grace of God, she did. And she survived it, and she's still here with us today, and I'm so thankful for that. And now as an adult, I could reflect on that time and really think about that it took the community coming together and helping my family through that time. My mother wouldn't have been able to do that by herself. You know, 2 small children, going from having a normal life to becoming an amputee, and then going through surgery again and not knowing if you're going to survive. And I'm really thankful for all the prayers and that community support that we had from family and from outsiders, people that didn't even know us, that supported our family during that time. And now I'm just so blessed that the services that we provide is a little something. I know it's not as much as I would like to do, but it's what I can do, and so I'm going to do it. Where we could sponsor the patients and we could go out and provide the services, and when they get home from their treatment, it's one less thing that they have to do. Their bed is made up for them, and they could just get into bed and they have a few moments where they could just exhale and not have. If we could take off a little bit of that burden, then I'm just so thankful for that, and I know that I've accomplished part of my life's mission, and I'm really thankful for that.